If you are someone who enjoys outdoor activities or has a job that requires you to work in challenging conditions, then having a rugged smartphone is a must-have. However, the problem with most of these phones is that they tend to be bulky and difficult to carry around. Well, thankfully DOOGEE have now got their own compact option. This is the DOOGEE Smini. It is not only affordable but also comes with a compact design that makes it easy to handle. You no longer have to worry about struggling to fit your phone into your pocket or carrying it around in a separate bag. This device is perfect for people who are always on the go and need a phone that can keep up with their active lifestyle. With that said, let's unbox this guy and see what you get. As you can imagine, with most phones nowadays, you really don't get much in the box. However, you get the Smini itself, a Type-C USB cable, charging brick, protective film, and your basic user manual. The Smini's appearance is a fascinating combination of features. While the thick display frames and candy bar shape may seem bulky, there are several advantages to the exterior design that make it truly unique. The beautiful block of 2 cameras, an additional screen that displays information about missed notifications and other functionalities, a rear panel with a pleasant to touch texture, and a side fingerprint sensor all contribute to its overall appeal. The Smini is rated IP68 with dust and water resistance and IP69K, making it resistant against high pressure, high temperature water jets, and compliant with the MIL STD 810H standard, making it durable against falls. This is a pocket brick in terms of its durability. The DOOGEE Smini is a smartphone that boasts a unique feature, and that is its rear display. This display not only is eye-catching but also incredibly useful. It shows a range of essential information such as the current temperature and humidity, as well as the time, date, battery level, and charging status. This means that you can quickly and easily access all the information you need without having to unlock your phone or navigate through various menus. You can enable or disable the display as required and also adjust the duration for which the display remains active. This means that you have complete control over the information that is shown and you can tailor it to your specific needs. For instance, you could choose it to display the time and battery level but not bother with the temperature or humidity readings. You really are in control. Now when it comes to the 4.5-inch IPS panel on the front, I have mixed views. On the one hand, the 1170 by 480 pixel resolution offers good picture clarity with a modest ability to handle day-to-day tasks. However, on the other hand, HD video playback isn't really offered. With the limited pixel resolution, you won't get that crystal clear video playback from sites like YouTube or Netflix. Additionally, the lack of increased image refresh rate and brightness reserve of only 500 nits make it challenging to interact with the device in direct sunlight. But I do think we need to be slightly realistic, as other phones in the price range seem to share this drawback. Now, if we can look past the shortcomings of the front screen, we are still getting a mighty device packed with some oomph. The Smini stands out for its remarkable technical characteristics for its size. It is powered by the latest MediaTek Helio G99 processor, which is known for its high performance and efficiency. The device also comes with an impressive 8GB of RAM, which ensures smooth multitasking and operation of even the most demanding apps or games. However, when it does come to gaming, the device does tend to overheat and throttle in resource-intensive titles. To avoid this, it is recommended to set minimal graphic presets, but it can handle basic games. Whether that is some low-res smartphone game or one of the leading titles on low settings, it should be able to deliver a decent experience. On the storage front, the device comes with a generous 256GB of permanent memory, allowing you to store all your favourite apps, games and media files with ease. And if that's not enough, you can always increase the storage capacity using a micro SD card. As with most affordable smartphones, the camera on the S Mini may not be up to par for most consumers. The main 50 and 2 megapixel photo modules are simple and may not be able to capture good quality photos in low light situations. In such conditions, the sensors may produce noises, blurs and errors in color reproduction. However, in the great outdoors, the captured images are more than sufficient, offering up enough clarity and sharpness to be shareable with friends. Now, I do think that is something to keep in mind with a phone like this. These cameras aren't made to be used in low light conditions. They simply are there to just provide a snap when the time is needed, and other devices aren't present. Now, the battery capacity is only 3000 milliamps, which may not last for more than 5 to 6 hours of screen time. This could be a major downside if you use your phone heavily throughout the day. However, if you intend on it being a spare phone for emergencies, it does have a standby time of about 7 days. However, with 18 watts of fast charging support, I wouldn't make the battery your main point of concern when purchasing the S Mini, but it is something to keep in mind. I must admit the phone's fingerprint reader mounted on the side is brilliant. It is not only fast and efficient for unlocking a device, but also a must-have for security purposes. Since the phone fits perfectly in the hand, you can unlock it quickly without having to reposition your finger to find that reader. Measuring a mere 133 by 60 by 13.5 millimeters and weighing just 155 grams, this phone is truly optimized for one-hand use. There's no doubt that the DOOGEE S Mini is an impressive smartphone that showcases the latest advancements in technology, proving that a compact design can still deliver top-notch features. If you can look past its mediocre screen and average battery life, it is a phone that is designed to meet the needs of people who lead an active and adventurous lifestyle with its durable build and high-end features. This really is a great option for those who require a phone that's efficient and can keep up with the demands like their current flagship models, just with the added benefit of being shrunk into an affordable compact design that can withstand water and drops. It is the kind of phone you purchase to enable you to have all the added benefits of a smartphone without the worry of spending a fortune. With that said, be sure to check out this product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.